in my hand, you show me a better weapon. We think how they rap's cool, but it's not. You ain't gotta grow up and get shot for hip-hop. Some of y'all say rap music, the art combined with life, that's music. I was born in South Philly, thumb in my mouth really. Thought I would never leave, I'm trying to get out Philly. We haven't bound, I pick my own streets. I don't pick these, I pick my own beats. Now they like how that's gon' work out. This is a sport for us and we gon' work out. I met a couple of cats the other day. They tried to get me to rap another way. They went, I ain't saying we never wrong, but do you gotta rap about God in every song? Sure do, of course you want me to rap about something I won't do. Like pitch on that porch where it's still hot. I put on my shorts, threw on my flip-flops. I got on my course, threw on my wristwatch, but I made a pit stop. Homie, that's where I found hip